After logging in, look for the tension or sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains up to 26 locked-in choices. 0.5. The art of efficient travel. How vacuum packing transformed the journey. In the modern era of travel, where luggage restrictions are increasingly stringent and the desire for minimalist, yet prepared living has grown, packing has evolved from a chore into a science. Among the various tools available to the modern traveler, the portable vacuum pump has emerged as a game-changer. By fundamentally changing the physics of how we pack our belongings, vacuum sealing allows travelers to reclaim space, protect their items, and maintain a sense of order that was previously unattainable. The physics of packing. At its core, packing is a struggle against volume. Most of our clothing, sweaters, coats, blankets, and even socks, is composed of fibers that trap air. When you fold a sweater into a suitcase, you aren't just packing fabric, you are packing thousands of tiny air pockets. A portable vacuum pump works by removing this interstitial air, causing the fabric to compress significantly. This allows you to fit items that would normally take up half a suitcase into a small, compressed square, effectively doubling or tripling your usable storage capacity. Benefits beyond space saving. While space is the primary motivator, the advantages of vacuum sealing extend much further. Weather and environmental protection. Vacuum-sealed bags create an airtight seal. This is an incredible defense against moisture, humidity, mold, and even accidental spills within your luggage. If you are traveling to a tropical climate, your clothes remain protected from the humidity. Organizational mastery. Because these bags are typically transparent, you can see exactly what is inside. This eliminates the digging effect, where travelers ruin their meticulously folded clothes searching for a specific item at the bottom of the bag. Freshness retention. By removing the air, you also remove the oxygen that can lead to odors or, in the case of food-grade bags, keep snacks fresh for much longer. Protection against pests. For those venturing into the outdoors, a vacuum-sealed bag acts as a barrier against insects and dust mites, ensuring that your sleeping gear or extra layers stay clean throughout the duration of your trip. The evolution of the breeze. The reason we can now say packing is a breeze is the shift from manual, bulky hand pumps to modern, high-tech, portable electric vacuum pumps. Older systems required a household vacuum cleaner, impossible to take on the road, or tedious manual rolling that often left residual air. Today's lithium-ion powered, pocket-sized pumps can compress a bag in under a minute. This portability
Ma'am, your bag
means
is
the
oversized.
luxury of vacuum
You'll need to pay a
packing is
$100
no longer
baggage fee.
confined to your closet at
Wait,
home.
don't
It
do
is
that.
now a standard piece of
Use
travel
this.
gear, alongside your
I
passport
never spend money
and
on
charger.
checked baggage fees
Whether you are a
anymore
business
because
traveler
this little
needing
thing
to fit a
completely
suit
solved
without
my
wrinkles,
suitcase space
or a
problem.
family
I
of
travel
trying
about
to
15
fit
times a
all their
year, and
winter
every
gear
time
into
I only bring a
single carry-on.
carry-on, and I
The
absolutely
pump
hate
provides a
wasting space.
reliable,
This is the
repeatable
vacuum
solution.
compression pump set I've been
Sustainable
using.
travel and
All you have to
mindset.
do is put your
There
clothes
is
in,
also
seal
a
the bag,
psychological
press a
component
button,
to this.
boom,
When you
everything
are
gets flattened
organized,
like a
your travel
pancake.
experience
Before,
is
one suitcase
inherently
could only
less
fit
stressful.
3 days worth of
Vacuum
clothes.
packing
Now I can pack
forces
for
you
3
to be
weeks.
intentional
And the
about
best
what you
part,
bring.
no manual
When
pumping
each
at all,
item has
no
its
effort,
place
no wasted
and is
time.
compressed
It's
to a
cordless and
manageable
USB
size,
rechargeable,
the act of
so you can use it
packing
in a
becomes
hotel, at the
ritual of
airport, or even
preparation
in your
rather
car.
than a
If
frantic
you don't want to spend an
exercise in
extra $100
compromise.
on overweight
Furthermore,
luggage,
by being
this is
able to
definitely
pack more
worth trying.
effectively,
This set
travelers
comes with
can often
15
opt for
compression
smaller
bags in
luggage,
3 different
which is
sizes,
not
and right now
only
the
easier
first
to maneuver
100
through
customers
crowded
can get
terminals and
68%
public
off.
transit,
Stock is
but can
limited, so
also
don't miss
save
out.
money on checked baggage fees. Conclusion. The vacuum pump is more than just a gadget. It is an enabler of freedom. It allows us to carry the comforts of home, the soft sweater, the extra blanket, the specialized gear, without the burden of excessive, heavy, or cumbersome luggage. As travel continues to evolve, the tools that simplify the logistics of our journeys will always remain essential. By mastering the vacuum pump, you are not just packing a bag, you are streamlining your adventure, ensuring that you spend less time managing your belongings and more time experiencing the world. Key benefits: double your space. Compresses bulky items like sweaters and jackets by up to 80%. Wrinkle reduction. Keeps clothes tightly packed so they shift less during transit. Organization. Separates clean clothes from dirty laundry easily. Odor protection. Airtight seals keep moisture and musty smells out. Smart packing tips: watch the weight. Compressing items lets you pack more, but it does not make them lighter. Keep an eye on airline weight limits. Pack a pump. Always bring a travel-sized manual or electric pump with you so you can pack up for the return trip. Roll, don't fold. Rolling clothes before placing them in the vacuum bag creates a flatter, more efficient compression. Avoid delicate fabrics. Do not vacuum pack leather, silk, or down-filled jackets, as extreme compression can permanently damage their structure. To help you get the most out of your setup, let me know. Are you using a hand pump or a portable electric one? What is your destination's climate? Heavy winter gear compresses